Enti Nana Jantuah of Insula FM. In fact, me who say ne bofu say that. Me who say Nana Jantuah ni ko pai am wakasa emotionally. Me who be say that. Now no. Nana Jantuah we bona jo. Tell me say Mahama end point is in fact nya me anim no kure ni. O mu ya beye bonsam. No mu nka no kure na o mu no. Nya me obetio o mu ka de. Say nya me kuro no te kije. E water valley. Me monthly no kire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Best one say ni dey. Obey like a video, no other about subscribe button, some back the key notification, connect the latest updates. I bet you the wide range, mammy. Ewa comments, and she must also baswa. No one shall for so any be after. It's why can have my debaqua, abeye the national issue. I people will be none ever interest, the issue of galamsey. Because the issue of galamsey, no, some George Ameta is a Ghana Fonya said the drugs in Nuboni, 80 Colombia Fonya. I remember this particular post. Some George and a kind. I say I bet the national can cut into a young fight. And the galamsey issue there. Any part of na ever interest. Na be kaya. Dia be henya and say we munina press conference and answer Mahama emeki just omit the media. Now hono. And we got to say now on the issue of galamsey, he's so reluctant to declare state of emergency. Now we believe we say now no the force I don't want for you to get an eswati. They say the rate of destruction above from any other the 18 of galamsey they can no yenya but like a crowd here near me. Whereas Emma say or whether sponsor small scale miners no or best sponsor more a trip to Australia. No matter question ye. Emma no be say now he says the opposition. And yes I'm say you opposition you know you gave the roadmap to combating galamsey. But some buy you know more to papa so emu na nra fellas ofosu kwache I got to now TV so now fellas a defense will make here o tiremu say Mahama never gave timelines for ending galamsey just say or just oh na say e bi pensa say Mahama buy any 1 year we mu no on stop galamsey no fellas tiremu say massa Mahama e kasa no wa ma timeline bia as to when or be put a stop to galamsey all he said was or best stop galamsey but am say fellas ofosu kwache or cast the Ghana for a Jimmy and answer it. Fellas, Sabi, any dear ma, with all due respect, or cast the Ghana for young Kwasa for answer a Jimmy and answer it. What happened to this? Moya campaign 2024. And a more resetting Ghana agenda, Moya book to buy. I will come out to the Mahama's first 120 days social contract. I say, Obetina Ghana Kunyaswa in his first 120 days, and near ma obey. The thoughts in number 19, okay, say ban illegal and new mining activities in forest reserves. Mona Mokan same way in Mahama's first 120-day social contract. It is a fellas catch and let's say Mahama never gave any timeline. Na sabe, fellas got say Nkwasi Afua said it. And now fellas got say your short memory. You need short memory. Ghana for Nkwasi Afua. And yesterday, none another defense, which them say, no NDC appointee, and in fact, His Excellency the President never said we should declare state of emergency. Fellas, as I can say, but some George I can say declare state of emergency. Hon Ablakwa can say declare state of emergency. Hon I can say declare state of emergency. Emmanuel Amakofibua I can say declare state of emergency. Tell me now opposition.
They should declare state of emergency. All mining should just stop now.
Yes, you have to declare a state of emergency.
Just as we declared lockdown during COVID, let there be a certain declaration of it. It shows seriousness.
Yes, I think that national emergency be declared now and today, not tomorrow.
We will continue this fight and we will continue this struggle until our water bodies are protected.
It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with galamsey now.
Subscribe to the declaration of state of emergency as some other people are suggesting.
Obi bu ne man, mama na mfa abotre emu ne man. Mo de Nkwasi demonstration ni Jimmy he nipa na dwene. Dede hunu every day, dede hunu na mgo montene so. Mo di dede dwa nipa soma wo ahweso emu ne man. Mo magana for tell say on we galamsey campaign. Etia ntoma mo ba mo be stop galamsey. Sam George can say the president na the taxpayers money 82 the cano. Over 2 minutes or an hour per 7 days, just a week, as topic galamsey, mobile how many months in the now you can't work as an Mahama buy and chair. Nonsense. Why not buy and chair? Why never buy and chair? Why? Then as I'm George can say, President now what you have to pick say, no, not as any say. Now see a pan say. Now see any say. That was ya. Sounds say when I know for the question, I can't, you know. And I shall not Jantuah before in fact, Wababo Bonado, but James or NDC for, say, oh, me are pay for, oh, me are pay bon some no one can cry.
And ye Ghana interest. And yet the war beginning. Go for destroy your land. Ye the 2 me show binsa. Se onye juma emayen. Nti saa nipa no e ana ne refi ne ho a e wo se e kan no kakra mehu eni se oman no akrachifo a omu mutime kenkan omu no mu di aban ene Ghana ewu yetimi asosidi amasese ye ka Ghana sema de tie ni se yetimi ache ye man no mu akogina MPP ni NDC yetimi o de se yetimi agire ye ho ama oman no se akoye NDC ni MPP international issues enye national issue biem patriotism a se obi dwene se ade we beboa oman no enye ade eye oman no yedie biem enyoma ehia pa no emfa Ghana ni no ho so fraza obechim aye no NDC ni MPP Ebesame Chobi be directive principle of state policy. Na Okinkaya, Article 41 of the Constitution. Article 41 of the Constitution, Mebekaye, or say duties of a citizen. Article 41 of the Constitution. Caption ye duties of a citizen. Dear was say on my bapabia eye eboa on mine. Tina me say na no pay yetimia society ache on mine mu into NDC ne MPP. Ayana obi say na we too emotional. Obi a oni atinka de oni atinka no ono na oye na adwen say we enye hwe obi a onsuro nyame ena otimi ka se we enye hwe o na se we die ye betimi aye ne kakre oni atinka nti na adwen ye ne se enye hwe because osori anopa no wanya nsuo enom sabi anopa de ode flash no saa nsuo no clean chain ne nana bi a ote akurase ne nana bi ote manso ote takwa ote bekwai nsuo na ode flash okọ washroom anu abie no akọ flash senso ni ye neat chain ni nana ote ekronketwam ono nana first no nke ka insupa ebuomu nsu a ka ho ne free yetimi achiche oman ni mu into NDC ene MPP na woni momo forte wo momo kusku omo mutimi tro ekenkan na nka me hu bi da se ya sorry aka se nyina nim se galamse enye ya de tumi ashe president John Mahama nsa ɔman ni nyinaa sɔre yɛ keka bom kan sɛ adeɛ no nyɛ NDC for the campaign etia MPP mo wo ho mo kire adwen ni nyinaa mo de be solve galamsey issues NDC for kire adwen a oni nyinaa mo de be solve galamsey issues enye na kan you NDC for ne hia omo wo manifesto a e how to solve galamsey issues. Then all of a sudden galamsey ni ye worse inso na nya sei wona no mo ka ho asem say yenya no emergency no se mo nyina mie o ma no ama se say abufu sem ba ko a ewom ne say President John Mahama anka se state of emergency enti say free John Mahama president ano dia de Jantuah Ablakwa kan ye de Sam George kan ye de Emmanuel Kofi Boa e kan ye de Honorable Haruna Idrisu kan ye se bebia edu no yemfa so bonimbo na nado danko akufuado na yenye state of emergency on galamsey no enye papa yentungu enti say do mo ka che say yewra John Mahama kan kire ye say state of emergency nti omo kan ye ni nyina say yenye state of ye ka say sampanyufo we nyina ye cabinet ministers mi bodin Jantuah Ablakwa or ye cabinet minister one yewra John Mahama ne fa adwen Honorable Emmanuel Kofi Boa or ye lands and natural resources and environment minister or ye cabinet minister Honorable Haruna Idrisu Minister of Education or ye cabinet minister Sam George Minister for Communication or ye cabinet minister minim hwemabon nipa nan na omu ye dede opposition say e wasa saa de we ye yet state of emergency nipa nan a me hu se no mu kasa bebre no mutimi su nyina no nipa nan ene yewra John Mahama edwene ewo cabinet Ghana saa nipa nan we nyina ka se na Akufo-Addo nipa bonini yemblemu na Akufo-Addo na galamsey no nkoyi into ono na wo say all of a sudden hwe NDC matumofo na muntie hwe mu lusu a munhu na menka nkyere mo aban bia lusu a wo hu na minim sa akonya na na bayi o se ya na bronsam o se ye den ye hu agu o mani o se ulusu a unhu o eya na ye mesre obi se John Mahama ba ye nchei na na ntini ye de pressure ato no so obi o tell me ka jense me ma John Mahama 6 months pe na obi a ya say no 8 years obetimi the 9 months are stopping no it's just say me this argument I say na krache for pan na dwene te se nkoda yi ya sadie 8 years na obetimi de 9 months aye obekaya edrumre bi me ka kire wo say yewra John Mahama ka say me ba me ye nyoma bi ye disika no aho kire wo ho say me ka kire wo say yewra John Mahama is conditioning our minds say the be ye nyoma bi wo ho a na wa anya complain be ye me ba ye nchei inti me ka kire ni say se wuntimi nya obi amforso na no ka kire yewra Nana Akufo-Addo say on resign any jurisdiction kobe resign e de na asesa inti say ye gya tum say mo amokoye campaign ni nyina say yentoma John Mahama no say na mo nka no kure because John Mahama anka no man ye dru he ye kan ne say and dru level as I say no ye defendia to say yanko school emire bi MPP for sha ase di sansem hunu no because enti mo party say ye de yanko school ni bi ana ti mo party say ye de yenkenkan NDC for anamo support ye an ye fighting na Akufo-Addo ne galamsey no e de na asesa all of a sudden John Mahama ma ye nchei enti 9 months no mo ma ne time kakra ade eku nipa ade nipa ewu ye nya kidney liver problem What's a young chain because John Mahama anka state of emergency. Intiminia Felix Kwachi Ofusu. And now na kasama John Mahama nti. O kabro fo achreyen. O ka Mahama is committed to Galamsey fight. Mahama is this, that. Mahama is that. Mahama never declared. And show me evidence. Muni maho. Ghana for mamene Ghana for nkasa. Ghana for muntie me. Say yendru level a yebeyi kasa te say Ghana for near kasa te say amanyofo a. You see why Nyankopon hyira nkrofo bi. The entire Nyankopon hyira nkrofo bi ne say ene my emotional ntina mintimi nkasa te say the mesi kasa no. Eyame because I least expected NDC for to behave like this. And it is too early. Uko social media. As a NDC phone nyina adwene si. All of a sudden they are behaving worse than MP before. No mo so adwene si na kahwea omuntie. Enti we nipa a wo dwene pa na ye ka Galamsey asema be defende. Utin kran, uti kumase. Unko hoda. Ye ende bia yete wo. De Galamsey yan krofo ekuye maaminum kuye papanum ese ye nua maanum uteten kran because wo party nti ye ka Galamsey asema all of a sudden ye nipa bonefo all of a sudden ye kasadodo all of a sudden na John Mahama ba enche John Mahama and state of the me say 4 cabinet ministers currently Okuje to Ablakwa Haruna Idrusu Sam George Emmanuel Ama Kofi Boa 4 important cabinet ministers are omuni yera John Mahama fa adwene no no mo see state of the nation no baby adru no ti say state of emergency no and ne you are telling me say John Mahama anka into the cabinet ministers currently omo ye ministers no e kan ye no sabi omo kan no kwa na problem ne se me say ulu so a wo nhye dan hu abato no sa wote so a unhu na woni momo mo aluso fu soldiers ne be odiodium fu soldiers no omo na mbe defend o adidi obi atem obi obe kasetia ombe di do natem no mu ka no mu yese no mu kasei fu soldiers no enti de bia no upia ye be yo prr se John Mahama sa ye be yo diodium sa ne e ka kire me say de bia me ka kire mpanyifo no mu ntie me say oye panyi a o sori anopa ka 1 Kings 22 de bia me ka kire oye panyi a o sori anopa won na ye omo kanfu bebre no ahweye omo mpewa asem won a omo nka no kran kire no omo mpewa asem mi obi a woni me se enya me ka cho se enye me nkoje because me pese me da na me de ma adwene bia be hye mitrim menim sa ade ne ye enti me ka kirew ade achi a me pese me da menim me mpe wa asem a me ka jo sa ade me mpe wa asem enya afi na me enti asem bi wo ho a me enti me nka wo ba bia me ka no mframem enti me ka de me ka kirew the same thing emre bi bishia Dr. Bawumia 1-on-1 enkomodie me ka kire ne de enti olusu ye owie ye obechia me Dr. Bawumia me ka kire no wenti na alusu ye sa asem no obi an kan kire no ba me ka kire no me chia Ghana mpanyimfo akese a ebi kure pe presidential candidate me show ma me ka no kure ne kire wo mo eno no mu wie a mo hia bibia o mo frɛ because o mo nim sɛ won no ma atwa mo ho ahia no o mo nka no kure me nim sɛ ira John Mahama wasua nneoma bebree ba onkrofo na hyase ntem dodo o ma hyase e kanfo ntem dodo sankofo ni nyina ye hypocrite mo ye nyatwo mo mpa wiye emre bi yewura etu na na kufu adofo se woni ade adwuma na ma wo enye wo ma wo wanim ene wo so enye wo ma enti hweyie se oduru ba bi ni entimi nka bibia nkyerɛw na wo nkrofo ni momu ye o ye hu bi panyo yakwa ya hu bi panyo Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo 2 years, how many? 2 months into his time. Jantuah project, mommy. 2 months into his time. And the movie shall say, car, chair, say, baby, I was shall say, 2 months. Obi say, the Mahama my enche. Me shall see Edigu Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. So 2 months. March. January, February, March. And I'm catching and say, 110 ministers in Koyi. Edi na MPP fo anyame ye di matem papa ye mi ankasa ye ma ye kire se me nya obia but insan se me de bia me ka se me nya adwuma ma onipa ntino eya na sa nyoma ne empusu me ade a enhurehura me kura ne wo ya ye bebo wajimi wo ye krasini wo ye sa nyoma no enhurehura me kura o obi a oba mi nime sa anyom ha me obi timi be kire me to bia me baba ko hana osenana nkofo di edi watam wo Twitter no e na aba ya wo sere sa nam say na nkofo ye omudi matami me fa ho bai so fra sa unim Nana Jantuah I'm okay eno ntina modidi atem ene de mo ka no emfa me ho 2 months into Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo time ena me sha se ka chen say Nana Akufo-Addo Nkofo Kamfo, but 110 ministers no, unacceptable because Ubu Okatre Yera John Mahama said John Mahama identino the 89 ministers. Now all of us had over 110 ministers. What the yede? MP before Antimasi. By a konye. It took 4 years. 4 years. And sana wana no mudi matemni nyina kabo mbeka say aha na ministers kromu do so do ministers kromu de ye dey enne ye ntokwa na ye kon ye no ena ama efedru baabi no na ababaye manifesto promise ama Dr. Bawumia so metimi di 51 ho aye ena wensu metimi di 60 aye ye ntokwa ni bi samne na ye kontokwa no mo se ne agimi enso ehon faso baaye no ehon faso baaye no ena obi a dibi ko check me records edurumna bi ena da ho no bra Facebook na behe and check the date 19th of March 2017 behe enti obi ka se John Mahama baaye ncha wa che wo mani so we see 2 months ena Nana Akufo-Addo records ni nie 19th of March 2017 me video no call viral because me catch there Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo be say sebi 110 ministers no or the year day at this time ono mu say opa akọ na ko check comment na e bae no comment be 75 emu be hwan di matem sonsuron inslanka ready say enne sa ade na me kono say 110 ministers unacceptable no enne nyamia ya adom ye ntokwa no eso abamfa so me say ka kire we edurumna bi na wo sori anopa now take bitters way me ngu obi adwuma because you be ani na adwuma but now be sori anopa obi a radio station bia from anopa 6 one bitters mini problem me ka se men konom bitters but na you too much although some ye radio presenter me sorry ye ejina mu se sa de ne yentwam me ni FDA fo konye ansana FDA fo gia tum say henceforth from 6 a.m. to 8 memma radio station ni TV station bia enya bitters ho advert eye me Nana Jantuah me nko a sa mene na me kono nkofo bebre di matem bitters ho ene so behwe a sanity aba e man kan no pay make say kan shire fm ye bobitters bia bi e wo kromo a kan no pay 6 in kabon say me bobitters 8 near bobitters but then you say after 8 why because ye mu bi ye gina me nko a me gina e sa amre na nipa ne hye da ntemase me kyerɛ wo nneɛma amayama ɔman no to obi sɔre na ɔka onim de ɔka ɛna me yɛ adeɛ na me mfa nipa nka me ho me ana mpɛ me yɛ because ebi wɔ hɔ obi antemase me di PBC for kɔhyraagye PBC for kɔhyraagye PBC ɔmɛ disika left and right ɛna egu no PBC produced by a company hwɛ de ɔma yɛ yɛ ho but we fought amene sa issue no wɔ hyraagye kɔ easy na kɔ Google edrumna bi both MPP ni NDC me catch easy for say because emrane say after 6 months e was ye hu sika aba MPP ni NDC for nsem account no e was so de koma easy 2019 me try ye say yenya ho adwuma o man fi me because NDC for ni MPP for nim say e kwan yo mo fa so nya o musika no mo de ye campaign no e bi nya papa ncho mo ntimi account for ye jinemu akwa mo man yi sa ene da hono bra Facebook and to people said dear no I am more man now you are funny you don't know if you want more of Nana Jantuah go back and yet 2020 yao go back we started fighting from Kufuor Breso and ye dear jinem yensisaye and da hono 31st August 2019 journalist petition shroud to investigate alleged corruption at PBC Miami Sika me name lawyers man Jessica mfro bia ho mia misika enam se meye saade ako se saade we obi nipa ba ako 15 billion wadi 15 billion no wadi PBC sika 15 billion yeso won koto nkuto na ama sika ne nso ama Nana Jantuah me petition shroud obi amamo mia na me bo se yenjema oman no woti wa se de na yeye Nana Akufo-Addo time me bompa yese obi obeye galamse bia no obewu na busuafo na manyina omohu ntomu Nana Akufo-Addo bre so NDC for that bre no na munti mi hujai ya ku galamse sadru yenim se aban bra na ka se galamse no stop it o say we anka state of emergency enti de yenum nso ni ngu enso na ya shatene na no nkrofo bi asende me na kabi ma ye yenye nso me se me mfi mo because mo na ye kabi ma mo no mo wi amasa be didi atem mo na ye kabi ama mo wi amasa be di atem mo nya nso no mimi wonso no se nso eko 2000 kra metimi ato se bottle water eko 2000 a metimi ato ama me ma ha me se mebusia ni koda hospital me ma ne koda normal wa me ma na koda baby pa me wi a metimi atua sa aka no ha me nti sa ntokwa no nya ntokwa me ko ama me ho galamsey ma ye liver say ye nya cancer enkofo we enkoye emenya infection emrante aye basa anye kagu nkofo so enso na ye pika declare state of emergency o se wan kase enti yenkofa evidence mbra moya beifo munsuro nyame and I've stated it and I've stated today Nyankopon be ku obi a wo ye galamsey Nyankopon obi a wo de galamsey sika eye japade ne ho ntono wabusianfo beji adi usika ne be basa o de be hwe wo ho aduro me se galamsey sika manka small scale sika manka small scale me I support small scale but obi a ode galamsey sika ye bibia no wo ho ntow enkofo beji sika na di sika ne be basa yenya kidney problems na wonsu benya bi kidney problems ni liver problem wonsu benya bi enso no ye no basa ne nananum ewu a wonso saa na be ye ubewu ntem ubenya sika ode beto cars ubewu na nkofo sebi ona wo mambre no omne bedi sika kwa enti wa wo ye galamsey no Nyankopon ebufuhye wo so nature will never forgive you mabusiafo bewu mo ankasa se obi ye galamsey no ntimi anka nkere na wo di ho da wonso ubenya problem ni bi a generational curse. And that is why this morning I'm so happy with Catholic Bishop of MPP time momu call demonstration and now mu kasa in sem na ye kan ya na mu di atem no yenya mpanyifo bi a omodwene oman no ho Kali Bishop Nyankopon hyira mo ene mo de aba mo say yewura John Mahama enye sika bia na wo se wudi sansem na me kan ye NDC fo di matem no a me njai ka meguso aka I don't care about odi di atem no se galamse nti na me time ye na munguso time se galamse nti na me ka na mbesam ya monye dem meye makacho se wukuna na Jantuah there will be more na Jantuah nti wukumi anya hwe but wu nti ye ma wo mesei nso Kali Bishop say yewura John Mahama Sa sika na why wadwin say because of gain kakra wo benya na etimi aka say gold board fo ya ade no sa galam say sika no stop it it's not right mami bi lines no ni nkomo galam say issues no wo ba bia galam say ne koso enka wase mi wi na afi e di nkomo wo nana hima de ekoso update ye be ko ho na ye de ho update aba. But before then, Maminkai, Article 41 of the Constitution, Chapter 6, the Directive Principle of State Policy. Directive Principle of State Policy, Chapter Article 41. Intibe, wow, bekin can be, bra. Therefore, the fatoswa, no, yen yankin can be. Bra, Constitution, Bible, no kind Quran, now kind you are. The Akano, a Constitution of the of Ghana, and no yen Bible, no. It's the duties of a citizen. Opese abanye bibi ma wonso de wasa wo yema oman no and one sam na make. The first one was say the exercise and enjoyment of rights and freedom is inseparable from the performance of duties and obligations, and accordingly it shall mandamus be the duty of every citizen. Or say yema wa kwenya na utimi ye de wo pe no and also nkyerɛ sɛ utimi ye de opɛ because ɛho mmara ne ho nhyehyɛ wɔ hɔ baako ne sɛn ɔse to promote the prestige and the good name of Ghana and respect the symbols of the nation. Ɔse sɛ Ghana din no de bia bɛkora ne yie wonyɛ galamsɛ wonsɛe no wonwi adeɛ ɛmma Ghana nim ɛmnyɛ pɔtɔɔ daabi na afei so wo Ghana flag a wahu sɛ ɛyɛ nkrɔfo na koyɛ so respect every symbol say traditional bibia no respected. 2 to uphold 41B to uphold and defend this constitution and the law. May dear me defend the constitution no dear me defend the constitution nemra. That is the duty into here Ghana ni asani C and B. Let's go to C say to foster national unity and live in harmony with others. Say unchichem and I'm free ha and I'm free ha and I'm say yet MPP ni NDC for ede inchichemu eye politics ofri ha mento mano mi angrani mi asantini mi enzimani mi epusiganyi mi edagomani mi ekusasini ene yede ye campaign. Meanwhile constitution say that is false, that is wrong. D I say to respect the rights, freedoms and legitimate interests of others and generally to refrain from doing acts detrimental to the welfare of other persons. TTA or say ye won so ye ka writer me wo me fa hodie me wo ba bia metimi aye interest ne say me nsuo no eye me interest because ansuo na tene na kwakoye bibia maye sansuo ni bi ne de ye vegetable production sanyoma na bi ne de ye afuo enti menye bibia tie or say to refrain from doing acts detrimental to the welfare of other persons. Say enye wu sika penti ko sensuo no na ye nyina ye nwu dabi emra no etia say or say to work conscientiously in his lawfully chosen occupation. 41E in say so we are Ghana near for again mutene again fine na ye adwuma bia wo ye menko bu obi ye ho na ye sa adwuma no. Then F tie to protect and preserve public property and expose and combat misuse of waste of public funds and property. And to say abaye japadie bia ye bo ho ban na no mani je say ye Franka Mwako hine call say wo a omuko dodo ho ko ye adwuma kama. That is the law. Law ne say ade bia ye Ghana japadie bia bo ho ban hwani ye na bibia nye okay. Yenko Jean quickly. Yenko Jean na fa kosro mame. Jean ye den to contribute to the well-being of the community where that citizen lives. Baby awuti bia no ye say dwene won no maka ho where ye mra o duties of a citizen. to contribute to the well-being of community where that citizen lives. It we a Ghana near baby Autibiano, Obohom by own seno. And what is happening? Was it to defend Ghana and render national service when necessary? Said name Ghana to me Nana Jantuah ne Omomake defend Ghana. What say there be defend the NDC no MPP? Me defend Ghana, or say there be Mahama Maenche. Mahama Maenche no onye president of Ghana. Who defend the party? Me defend Ghana. Emrano ewa meme side say I need to defend Ghana. What is it again? To cooperate with lawful agencies in the maintenance of law and order. Police for soldiers. Yemuomo no mo fa emrano enye adwuma. J. To declare his income honestly to the appropriate and lawful agencies and to satisfy all tax obligations. To aso mame. What is saying? Wakechiano. Dia wojie ewose wutua ho to. The wuye biano GR for no mu nyina be ye adwuma kama sana emra no ekere. So when they make act article 41 and one sem na making article 41 and one sem na making. Now we come to K ne na yemede K no tie K no also to protect and safeguard the environment. K 41K article 41K Ghana ni tie me emra no say article 41K yembo asase ne ho ban eya wo duty enye NDC ni MPP asem
Chirajo of Mama, our comment section. Hi, Penyah Media, Accra.